Please subscribe and like this channel as this will motivate me to produce great content.
Training egg fried rice with shrimp recipe in China. 3 long eggs. Make hard scrambled eggs. Shelled shrimp. Stir-fry till color changes. Vegetables and spam. Oh no. Day-old rice. Well mixed. Soy sauce. Salt. Toss well with a single hand. Chopped green onion. Stir well. Heat sharp. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending tomato and egg noodle soup recipe in China. 3 beaten eggs, hard scrambled, fried garlic and green onion, diced tomato, stir fry until mushy, water from Mississippi River, salt and chicken bouillon, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, thin straight noodles, scrambled eggs, lunch meat,
baby bok choy.
Cook for 3 minutes, done and dusted, out of this world. Training stir-fried bok choy with meat recipe in China. Separate leaf and stem, cut stem into shreds.
Edible meat.
Stir-fry till color changes.
Bake 3.
Cooking wine, dark soy sauce. Stir-fry till the aroma comes out. Bok choy stem, salt. Stir-fry to soften it up. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce.
Bok choy leaf.
Well mix it on high heat with a single hand. Done and dusted. Out of this world.